Hi everyone, my name is Masood and I hope my videos will be helpful for you. Thank you for joining me today. So let's begin. So first, you will draw a line here according to your reference image. You will make a point in the center of that line. This will be the center of our lips. Then you will make a point on the right side and a point on the left side. Then connects all the point while looking at your reference image. So after completing the outline, I took a 2B pencil and started shading. We should shade lightly because applying too much pressure will create dark areas in the drawing and make it difficult to blend later. I have also uploaded an eye drawing tutorial in my previous video. If you want to see, I have provided a link in the description. You can go there and watch it. I hope that video also will be helpful for you. If you want to improve your drawing skills, you will need to be a bit tough on yourself. You need to convince yourself that your current drawing are not as good as they could be. This can actually help you to improve your drawing, and of course, practice is key to getting better. So I'm using a paintbrush, a soft paintbrush to blend the shade. I'm doing this because I want to keep some of the pencil lines to add texture and show the wrinkles on the lips. I don't want to completely erase them. After blending, I'm going back in with a pencil, with a 2B pencil, to add more shading and make the color darker. If the light is coming from the right side of a picture, the shadow will be on the left side. So we should create more darker values in the left side. Now I took a 4B pencil to create shadows on the lips. There are wrinkles on the lips. Where should the shadows fall on these wrinkles? I want to shade gently. Don't worry about mistaking or making mistakes. Everyone does it. When I first started drawing, I was terrible. Even now, I'm not completely satisfied with my latest piece, and I am always looking for ways to get better. By accurately representing the shadows, you will make your drawing look more realistic. Just zoom in your reference image and carefully observe where the shadows are actually fall on the wrinkles. According to your reference picture, just took the pencil and shade on those areas. The blending stump has absorbed graphite, so I'm using it to blend around the lips. After that, I have taken an eraser pencil for highlighting. Thank you for watching and thank you for supporting. Many new videos are coming soon, so make sure to subscribe to my channel.